The Milwaukee M12 Brushless 2-inch planer. Compact design with the power to plane and scribe. Designed for the finished carpenter and remodeler, the M12 Brushless 2-inch planer provides the power to plane and scribe in soft and hard woods in a compact design. With 21 accurate depth settings, this planer has the power to remove up to 5/64 of an inch in a single pass. The dual-sided shavings port allows users to direct shavings to either side of the tool. This lightweight design has a 2-inch wide shoe, which is optimized for common applications such as scribing and planing doors. The M12 Brushless planer delivers a smooth surface finish with 14,500 RPMs and a 2-blade cutter head. The lockable kickstand allows users to store the kickstand away to avoid interference with the workpiece. Reduce cleanup time on site with the shavings port attachment and universal hose adapter, which attaches to a vacuum to maintain a clean workspace. The Milwaukee M12 Brushless 2-inch planer. Compact design. Power to plane and scribe.